We were hearing there are climate change, there will be issues, sun it will be very hot, it will be this way, water will be this way. But then, one day, people started noticing changes. When they started planting, they were not getting anything. This river will be completely bare. There will be nothing, absolutely. A single water passing like this one at this time of the month, no. It was completely dry, completely stones only, and nothing else. We must be very careful. We must care and try to ask why has the weather changed? And how do we survive then when things go like this one? So we said, now what do we do? Write a proposal. That was the answer from the ADSC. I went, sat down with my committee, my secretary, 2 or 3 days, writing, correcting, doing this kind of thing, consulting. What is a good proposal? How many people will benefit from this particular given project? How many schools, how many households, how many livestock, goats and sheep and goats, and any other? How is it going to change the lives of the people? We call the community agreed, yeah, we are very, very, very much happy if we could be constructed a sand dam here. So we exhausted everything. Then we took it to the ADC's office. Unfortunately, there was no legislation for us to do those kind of development. Now what do we do? So we had a lot of discussion there. We discussed it actually there. We discussed for about 2 or 3, 4 months, discussing that thing, until the county government realized, and they could see, so actually there was a point about climate change these people are talking about. So after some time now, that is back in 2016, a legislation, the county assembly put it down that yes, this one is now going to be, they discussed, they passed. And then it was put over the radios that Makueni County government is the first in the country to put down a climate change legislation. We agreed to form a county climate change fund board. It was created so that some kind of money could be allocated without request. It is there automatic. Then they agreed on 1%. So that the money comes where? Comes to who? Who is going to make sure that 1 million, that kind of thing, because every ward is given 1 million. Everybody, I do not know why, is trying to skip finances. Without talking about financing as far as climate change is concerned, you will continue talking about adaptation and resilient, talk about adaptation and resilient. People should need to be told to understand the effects, the changes, the effects of climate change, the issues, the changes which are coming. And this one cannot be done without money. So we must, and it must, and not only me and then my committee, and other particular person must talk about financing of the issues of climate change. I've never seen any money of climate change other than this one of the county government. And even if it is being talked elsewhere, we don't know where. Otherwise, no communication has ever been done to us. That's even the global something, or the national government, or what one. There has been that kind of a communication. Funds being released, trickling down to where we are. With availability of water to the people, people have now changed very well. That time which was being wasted for the people to go and look for water is now done away with, because water is very near.